We don't have much time. I hope you're paying attention. Every day, 100 million cells die within our body, and these are cells we no longer need, and they're removed quickly and efficiently by the immune system. But for this to be efficiently undertaken, cells need to communicate with each other, and dying cells produce small extracellular vesicles, small pieces of themselves that they release to talk to the immune system to generate a calming repair response. There are many diseases caused by inappropriate control of immune responses, and we're focused particularly on wound healing. Wound healing is less efficient as we get older, and with an aging society, this becomes an increasing burden to individuals and the health service. We're working to take extracellular vesicles and the novel enzymes they carry to reinvigorate our own immune system to help drive repair responses, a novel therapeutic approach to chronic debilitating conditions.